Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the life and legacy of one of the greatest thinkers, poets, and philosophers of the 20th century, Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Join us as we explore the fascinating history of this visionary poet and his profound impact on the world. Born on November 9, 1877, in Sialkot, a city in present-day Pakistan, Allama Iqbal grew up in a time of great political and social upheaval. He witnessed the decline of the Mughal Empire and the challenges faced by Muslims in British India. Historical photographs of British India. Despite facing numerous obstacles, Iqbal displayed exceptional intelligence from a young age. His insatiable thirst for knowledge led him to pursue a higher education abroad, earning degrees in philosophy, literature, and law. However, it was his deep spiritual and philosophical insights that set Iqbal apart. He believed that the revival of the Muslim world required a rediscovery of its rich intellectual heritage and a transformation of individual and collective consciousness. Iqbal's famous quote displayed on screen, "Be aware of your own worth, use all of your power to achieve it." Iqbal's poetry reflected his profound ideas and aspirations. His verses resonated with a message of self-empowerment, urging Muslims to rise above their circumstances and reclaim their dignity. His famous poem Lad Piati Hai Dua Ben Kutuman Namari, My Heart Prays as a Desire, continues to inspire millions. Excerpts of Iqbal's poetry overlaid on scenic visuals. Allama Iqbal's vision extended beyond poetry. He passionately advocated for the creation of a separate homeland for the Muslims of British India, foreseeing the challenges they would face in a Hindu-majority subcontinent. Iqbal's efforts laid the ideological foundation for the creation of Pakistan, which eventually became a reality in 1947. His famous address in 1930, known as the Allahabad Address, presented his concept of a separate Muslim state. Allama Iqbal's contributions as a philosopher and political thinker were recognized and honored both during his lifetime and posthumously. He was knighted by the British Crown in 1922, becoming the first Indian Muslim to receive such an honor. Despite his international acclaim, Iqbal remained deeply connected to his homeland and its people. His poetry, infused with love for the nation and a desire for unity, continues to be celebrated across Pakistan and the world. Allama Iqbal passed away on April 21, 1938, leaving behind a profound legacy. His ideas, which emphasize self-realization, social justice, and spiritual awakening, continue to resonate with people of all backgrounds.